Have you ever been on vacation, swiped your debit card, and gotten hit with a mountain of foreign transaction fees? Let me tell you, it's enough to ruin a perfectly good gelato. That's why so many people are looking for international banks that let you spend your money abroad without feeling like you're getting robbed. But with all the different options out there, it can be tough to know where to start. So, today we're diving deep into Ally Bank, a popular online bank in the United States, to see if it fits the bill for your international banking needs. Ally Bank definitely isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar bank. They operate entirely online, offering a variety of accounts, including checking, savings, and investment options. They've gained a reputation for being user-friendly and offering competitive interest rates. But when it comes to international banking, the key question is Ally Bank truly international? Here's the thing, Ally Bank itself doesn't have an international presence. They primarily operate within the United States. This means they don't have branches overseas, and their accounts are in USD. So, if you're looking for a bank with a global network of ATMs or the ability to open an account in a foreign currency, Ally Bank might not be the best fit. But wait. Don't click away just yet. There's still a chance Ally Bank could be a good option for you, depending on your specific needs. Let's explore some scenarios. Scenario 1. You're an occasional traveler who makes short trips abroad. Maybe you visit family in Canada once a year or take a quick beach vacation in Mexico. For these situations, Ally Bank might still be a decent choice. Here's why. ATM withdrawals. Ally Bank reimburses ATM fees worldwide. That means you can use your Ally debit card at any ATM, and Ally Bank will eat the fees your bank charges you for using an out-of-network ATM. This can be a huge money saver, especially if you're only making a few withdrawals on your trip. Favorable exchange rates. Ally Bank generally offers competitive exchange rates when using your debit card for purchases abroad. While they might not be the absolute best rate you can find, they're unlikely to be outrageously high either. Scenario 2. You're a frequent traveler or expat living abroad. If this is you, Ally Bank probably won't be your best bet. Here's why. Limited international services. As mentioned before, Ally Bank doesn't have any international branches or accounts in foreign currencies. This can make things inconvenient for everyday banking tasks like depositing checks or getting cashier's checks. No international money transfers. Ally Bank doesn't offer international money transfers. If you need to send money overseas regularly, you'll need a bank that facilitates those transactions. So, to wrap it up, Ally Bank isn't exactly an international bank in the traditional sense. They lack the physical presence and foreign currency accounts you might expect. However, for occasional travelers who don't mind dealing in USD, Ally Bank's ATM fee reimbursement and competitive exchange rates can still be a valuable perk. Just remember, if you're a frequent traveler or expat, you'll likely need a bank with more robust international services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.